What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. Take here back for another video. For today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 14 on your iPhone without using a PC. So the first thing you guys have to do is to go to this link right here. I'll leave it in the description below so that you guys can check it out. Scroll down into when you get to this page on your Safari browser or whichever browser you're using. Scroll down until you see iOS 14. Click on download, and right now you'll see a pop-up and click on allow and click on close. Close. If you scroll down, you'll see all the instruction and everything. You can follow all the instruction right here on the screen, and after that you can go back to your home screen and go back to your settings. So I'm just going to read right now the instruction, and I'm going to show you what you guys should do next after this. So after reading all the instruction, you just have to close this website and go back to your settings. Open up settings, and let me go back. You have to look for the profile. Oh, there is not the profile, so look for the profile. The profile is right here. All you have to click right here. So it's already on my phone. I'm just going to install it. Click on one foot, enter your passcode. If you want to read the instruction here, or all the terms and conditions, if you guys are really interested in reading all the terms and conditions, I don't think anyone does that, so I'm just going ahead and to install it right now. Just click on install, and it's going to start installing right away. Install. So I'm not going to turn off my phone right now. I'm going to click on notes now. So if you guys click on restart your phone, you restart your phone, and after restarting it, you have to go back to your browser. Click on general and software update. It's general, about, and after software update you'll see iOS 14 beta, and there you guys can update to iOS 14 beta. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, become a member, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.